Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo N61 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this list we have to scroll down to find the system. Now let's tap on system navigation, which is at the top, and as you can see here we've got 2 different options. And before we'll set the gestures, a quick disclaimer: if you'd like to stick to the 3 button navigation, here you can customize it, so you can reorder back button and recents and add an additional icon. Alright, to set the gestures we have to tap on this option, of course, and your device will try to open the tutorial. Of course you can learn the gestures just by tapping on learn. I don't want to do it. What is more, I will explain it in a second. Alright, so you can see that instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. What is more, we've got this option to swipe to invoke assistant, and we can set the sensitivity for the back gesture. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gesture, so you'll be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be lower or higher. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, just like... I don't know what happened. I have no idea what happened. Let's try again. You have to swipe your finger from the side to the center. As you can see, we've got this arrow, and now we can release the finger and we will go back to the previous page. The same situation from the left side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that your gesture will be quick and short, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, simply repeat the gesture, however, elongate it a little bit and hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And after releasing here, you can see the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.